Yewona ma-causative. Yewona ma-causative. Ngiyalo sowufundisa lo mfana wakho Sikhanyiso ukusonza abantu. Manje, mina mangasanqaba laba sibatawuhamba. Bayohlala phansi naleti gebengu leti. Bakhulume phansi bashaya dialogue nama-causative. Inkunzi yelijabhane elisonzane umdlwenguli. I mean, ndawukhulumana nama-causative. Yinje le dodi le. You are supposed to come here and put forward a case. All these cases must be documented. Come here, we remove this baboon from power. It's that easy. Nisnenda uhlala phasi ngikhume nama-causative. Ngikhulumana nale njalo. Hayi nina Maswati man. You're very brainwashed. Stupid and brainwashed, a combination. I mean, why would you sit down and have a dialogue with a king who murders people on a regular routine basis? Why? Murdered Sakila Orosimsibe. They said he went to New York. They used the embassy here to cover up. Shot and killed Tulane in front of his wife and children. They think nothing of human life. So why would you even put these people under consideration? No, they must remain there above the law. All we want is just the prime minister. Now Sikhanyiso, the daughter of King Mswati, has murdered the maid in her house. It's bigger than that. I don't think she was just murdered because she disclosed and leaked some pictures. No. They killed her for some rituals because they think nothing of taking a human life. These savages. King Mswati, the scum of the planet Earth, has no place in a civilized society, has no place in the new Swaziland. You must stop. Nobody must go and have dialogue with this baboon. Criminal, foul baboon, King Mswati. You need to put a delegation and come to the United States so we can close this case on King Mswati. Eniyatsinana ni, hayi, Nkosi, bayete, hayi muntu, uyayiqala Nkosi, azange soyibona isonza umuntu, azange sombona adlwengula. Uyathi nje, uyajust nitilima nje. Yeah, but demo-led government, we're going to go sit down with the king and have talks and have a dialogue. Niyabona ke manje? Ayinaniva man. I mean, it's just falling on deaf ears. Why are you going to talk to this criminal? This is a habitual criminal. Everybody around him is a criminal. Now his daughter is... unbelievable. Anyway, I mean, I'm telling you, this dialogue thing must be shelved. And you need to put together a delegation. Part of the funding, we can get the money from Congress to help you to come over here, to come and present a very strong solid case to the United States government, to Congress and Senate. I mean, you are wasting time with this dialogue. And have a dialogue. Really? Unbelievable. You're not making any demands, no preconditions, no agenda, no team in place. You're just idiots. Okay, bye-bye. Go ahead. When I was Sikhanyiso, how can you just kill a human being, Sikhanyiso? Yeah, I telling you. Yeah, that's why Nkosi when they just want a prime minister. We need to get rid of all this thing and create a new just, fair, equitable nation, the Republic of Swaziland. Not here in the running of the country's business. We need to take care of the people of Swaziland, their welfare, make sure every Swazi has a place under the sun. I let totally. We're going to take state coffers and give to one family. For what good reason? What do you gain from this rubbish? Unbelievable. Your culture. Culture let totally. Do you think culture will end because Makosidiva is gone and the royal family is not part of the state? It should be just there. And leave us alone to run a country efficiently the way it ought to be ran. I let Dotile. Bye bye.